In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to make sure all your hard work is preserved. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Wix homepage. It's the central hub where you'll manage all things related to your website, including editing, designing, and importantly, saving your site. Once you're on the homepage, you should feel right at home with the familiar dashboard setup. The layout is intuitive, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for without any hassle. After you've settled onto your homepage, your next step is to click on Design Site. This option will lead you to the area where all your creative ideas come to life. Here you have the ability to make changes, add elements, and truly personalize your site to reflect your vision. Don't worry if this area feels a bit overwhelming at first. It's normal. Spend some time exploring to get comfortable with the various tools and options at your disposal. Once you've completed your design tweaks and are satisfied with how everything looks, you can proceed by clicking on the Save button. This crucial step ensures that all the modifications, no matter how big or small, are securely stored. Saving frequently during your design process is a good habit to adopt. It not only safeguards against unexpected computer glitches or browser crashes, but also gives peace of mind that your progress is always safe. Finally, after saving your changes, you'll want to click on the Done button. This signifies that you've completed your session and wanted to exit the editor. Clicking Done doesn't just mean stopping your edits. It also helps ensure that all your saved work is filed correctly within the system. It's like the digital equivalent of thoughtfully closing a book you've been reading. By following these straightforward steps, you can confidently save your website on Wix. Remember, frequent saving is key to protecting your content and creativity. So, whenever you make changes, take a moment to save them. That way, you're always one step ahead, ensuring your site stays up to date and ready for your audience. This process might be simple, but it is vital in maintaining the integrity of your web presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!